Hey babe, where you?
At our usual.
Oh, you meant our other usual. Maybe we should just reschedule.
Or let's find a new usual.
Urban Cruiser. Be bold, be curious.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. First leg, we're MTN 8 semi-final. First game of the two semi-finals. Enye Zotalangomso Lucas Masterpieces Moripe Stadium between the host, Mamelodi Sundowns, and also the away team, Golden Arrows. But for now, Susan Patele, first leg, we're first semi-final between the hosts, Kukune, up against the defending champions, Orlando Pirates, at the old Peter Mokaba Stadium. 1-0, John Horto, a scrappy game, Junior, with not so many chances created. Yacaca ukuthi ngumdlalo abantu abasajonge kuwo second leg. Otherwise, I don't think mhlambe if be semi-final nje ophumileyo namhlanje mhlambe umdlalo ubuzawuba nje. Mhlambe reason why unje because of they know kusekhona second leg, but nguwo umdlalo bese ubukele Junior esiphathele ababukeli namhlanje. Ndikubulisa mfethu kunjani?
Shane mabrada kunjani?
I'm okay.
Ngibulise Justice. Ngibulise Nkululeko mabrada, ngibulise Bobo. Benedict Sofilakazi. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, a typical cup game for Shane. Very scrappy game. I think my team which as Kulmen Orlando Pirates, what I think was a mistake by playing new players, especially in the midfield. I know Gucci, this guy Mokobodi and Mtiane badlala ku Stellenbosch boy too. But Pirates a different team. Pirates Orlando, it's a big team. Basete standard, there's a philosophy, identity indlela iklapa edlala ngayo. Also edlala ngalo mfana lo Masilela. I know new players in the midfield. Leyo nto leyo ilimaza team in terms of reading. Mama check Orlando Pirates, they never azange be in charge of the game. He won the game, sure. Orlando Pirates won the game, but not much of creativity. And too many mistakes. It's only Apolis and Ipek for Orlando Pirates and the goalkeeper, that's all. I'm talking about Pirates that we know, young defending champions. Yeah. Pirates that win trouble. Now, Manga Pega the game, they've been telling a moment. Pirates be telling a moment. First half, Butuma and struggle to tell Butuma. As Coleman Jane, overall in J game yonke. I was not convinced about Orlando Pirates. The energy is less. The stadium nyas with a bit pumpy. Yeah. I mean, Leon Tole, I think this guy Kazi, who is Bama ne technical team ya Kabo Jonas, Bon Kabo Simon, Uguti, a technical team is Cocoon. Let's take a game there. Not allowing Orlando Pirates Uguti their normal game.
Yeah, but sorry, General Carter. We have to correct that one year stadium venue because Umasipala wasePolokwane did announce ukuthi the new Peter Mokaba Stadium, they are doing pitch rehabilitation pitch. It's alungiswa. That is why the game is this way clay pitch. I think initially we saw at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. That is why basically say stadium.
Do you believe that, Chin?
I have no reason not to believe them because the pictures that they show on the pitch, it's unplayable.
One in recently.
Yeah, it's a recent pick. I'll call them.
Shane indaba lamateam lawa ngonile bomakezi they did the same. Abo they kunzima ukuthi bakholwe. I mean, iphulukwane noma ngabe they pitch be right bezwelethala le game. They played Orlando Pirates here even last season. So okay, as usho kanjalo, well nami thi ngibelieve, you understand. But Shane, honestly speaking, they never play like a team that is a home ground team. They don't have natural ball players, and they don't have proper attacking players. They've got the leadership in Jenga Cardoso, but let down by Amateka Wake. Mkize Kaka, I don't think they combine Gamnandi, but understand. You need to be comfortable. Manga benzo fun within rotate ball, especially in engine midfielders, two defensive midfielders. Oganye one, no number 10. Again, no 3 ningabi comfortable on the ball. Mhlambe ningabi confident, no 3, and then there will be a problem. So Kaka and Mkize, I don't think Beba Sekibin boy too. They were not in the game. I know Orlando Pirates play 3 Masilela 4. Yeah, I will say 3 Masilela number 10. Mokobodi, Mtiane, Nailo Mfana lo Masilela. I don't think they won the game. I'm talking about dominating in the midfield, but Skukune Bonage they were worse because Mkize always going there. The body language, I was not convinced, and he looked heavy. You understand? I used to love Mkhize when he was at Tigers at Sundowns. Also, when he arrived, being excited to qala ukumbona kuSikhukhune. But
He
now,
was an exciting player.
yes, he was technically is good. I know he played forward passes, but sometimes when I play Mkhize, maybe to compliment Mkhize, maybe be balance. Kaka, I'm not too sure. Ngifuna ukumbona umfowethu ukuthi what is ukuthi ngani. You understand? Because he came with variety. If the other one udlala chop ngisho ukuthi is short passing, uyalanda al collect ulink between defense and attack yenu. Uyonlandela amabhola adlalela ama patches alithole. Lo mele athene and spread the passes and support. But now yiwo ngithi uxaka kule game bengifuna I've never seen Xaka much. Mjela not much as well. Umdlalisi ako wing imbonile coach. I don't think he knows Kukune players. Coach Upen. Ukaz, I mean, I don't think he knows Kukune players. Ndlovu, I understand he was scoring goals for them even last season, but they need to change and get a striker, proper striker. They don't have offensive proper. They don't have proper offensive players. That's for me, and proper ball playing. Proper football players like abantama ball players. I mean to say, ngoba the way team yabidlala ngakhona two scatters scraping honestly. Ugcina udlala urely with this guy to play a long ball behind the defense. Mikel Caruso, and it's disappointing. I mean they're chasing a game. I mean Orlando Pirates came. They scored a goal, beautiful goal from individual brilliance because the team being atlangana Orlando Pirates, if you can be realistic, struggle to get Mbutuma. Nateka ngama wing back as usual nina nekime namhlanje njalo. But midfield I don't think you dominated. Joba ngisho when's mistake by playing 3 players that are new, especially in the midfield. Pirates is a big team. You can't do that.
Yeah, Junior, but kwelakhe side mhlambi angayi defender by making a point ukuthi Unduli is out injured. Umbatha uqale season with Orlando Pirates is injured naye. So I don't think he had any other choice ukuthi adlalise midfielder as regulars, because as the regulars this is the out due to injury. Maybe that is why mhlambe uqalisa boMokobudi
Where's Nomtechela?
Nomtechela was recovering from an injury. If you remember, towards the end of the season, he was injured. Even during the pre-season in Spain, he didn't play because he was still injured.
If Gim,
Yeah.
instead of playing this boy Masilela number 10, I will play Apolis there. Ngicale nga this guy Khosinse on the left hand side. Mina ngi coach so that kube ne balance. Now kule game end up ninga that's why we scrappy. Both honestly it's a very boring game. Well Orlando Pirates is ke phulukwane kule ground njengale li bumpy. I mean man jwala ukudlala ball Pirates has exciting. They tend go at you. You understand but kule game nale bhola leli misile ngwenye Peterson le striker kune bump lapho kune ball China 12 bamba ibump. So I understand that but iPirates last season ngibonile kule ground ladlala they play they forced to play, you understand but honestly akusi game that is exciting angiexcitanga nje mina le game ileke nje quality both teams but Pirates bowona ukuthi they manage then that's why they get a goal. Quality from Wodo. I mean, experience, ubonile, awkward angle, far post, and good technique from Wood, and no good in shy target. I'm fit to 76 unkinto, no like leaning. Good goal from Wodo individual. And second half, I think coaching in Bonilla, Etalo Bafana Josesile. I still want to see more. In Bonilla, exciting player. In Bonilla, who came here, cook challenge,
Yeah,
the boy exciting. But the more he plays, I want to see a progress appellation. Angega remain a good number 1. I want to see him starting the game. He must force the coach to start him. You understand? Because he can't say coming on the bench, alone. He's more of a seasoned player now. You understand? So, angega mfakile pressure. Ngiyayibona yena khona into ayiphethe but ngifuna ukuyibona like ichazeke. And Pirates need to get mele baqale this guy Peterson, the striker. They have to. I mean,
kwezi minutes asidlalela namhlanje, no, we didn't score, but kwezi minutes asidlalela namhlanje, what did you make of him?
Yazi mina angeke comment much, angibona much of him. Ngibona create ama foul, yabo, and then nale ball almistile. Not a bad player, not to say it's a good player. Angeke ngicamba manga. Angifuni ngicamba manga, I need to be fair. Angamboni. But iPirates man going to that guy is going to be under pressure if he's not going to score as well. Because Sumbutuma, honestly, bamnikile chance. You understand? And bayenza iphisi Pirates kulo mfana uRadio Bhane ukuthi I mean last season umbonile pre-season uqalile last season and then waqala beginning of the season and then he never played. Namanje kunemigame enye wangena ngathi wayiqala enye weze as a sub. But now I think they saw ukuthi he's not going to offer anything. But Pirates nje ukuthi balande yona this guy. Mina bekungaba green ngisayiphinda. Eshini ngizobuyela emuva. I know ukuthi it's a water under the bridge indaba kaMabaso but nenza iplanda lapha. But going to South Africa should have gone to South African like bekumele nithole player here in the country ebelizonceda scoring goals. I think than going outside. Noma ngabe uyeza this guy Peterson kube backup. Mara nithole player not Mbuthuma. Honestly Pirates they create chances. Angikhulumi ngale game and they told ukuthi Mbuthuma let her down. So not a one of the best game but Orlando Pirates I think libona badlala away.
Yeah.
Akusi easy.
Yeah.
I mean kunento abayiphethe manje. Laba bane mountain to climb but very disappointing. Abana ama ball players, naturally ball players. Abanawo ama attacking naturally players. So it's very disappointing. Team Gaka I'm very disappointed, yeah.
Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. That's Junior Khanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Besibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo we-MTN 8 first leg at the old Peter Mokaba Stadium. Lapho ke the away team Orlando Pirates isibethele khona ke Sekhukhune ngo 1-0. John Hotto scoring. It's Orlando Pirates 1, Sekhukhune United 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Khanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.